Oh! So this is what we're dealing with tonight.
Greetings from our very packed car.
Very packed. I think the dog's back there somewhere.
Let's see.
Can you see her?
Zoe? Oh, there she is.
She is.
Oh, it's so packed in here.
Yeah, I can't see out the back, but it's fine because I need to see out the front. That's the important part.
Where are we heading?
Joshua Tree National Park. We're going to Black Rock Campground. It's going to be, so we've never been there before. We usually go to Big Bear.
But it was going to be way too cold in Big Bear right now, so we had a little change of plans and we decided we would just try something new and go to Joshua Tree instead.
Yeah. You're still working on that gimbal, huh? You're working on it. That's pretty good.
Figuring it out.
You're figuring it out. That's good. You know?
I'm not the camera operator in the relationship, but I have to learn.
We're going to do it together. We're used to, in Big Bear, it's 2 p.m., right? Check-in?
Yeah, check-in is at 2 p.m. when we go to Big Bear, but it's at noon here, so...
So let's give it a shot. I mean, if they tell us for 10 minutes we gotta go drive around, we can just drive through town.
Yeah.
Well, I was thinking that we would go check in, get to the spot, offload stuff, set up the campsite, and then head into town to grab some firewood. Got to get local firewood because if you bring firewood in, you could bring pests and bugs and things that could like damage the ecosystem. So you get local firewood. So we're going to go into town, get firewood, maybe get lunch, right?
Yep.
And then bring it back to the campsite. That's the plan. I mean, assuming they let us in. We clearly have no room for firewood at the moment. So
Yeah, it's absolutely packed back here.
Yeah. They're all very nice. And there's a gift shop. Very exciting. I love gift shops.
Yeah, of course.
I'm not going to buy anything.
Well,
I might buy something.
what if we need something?
What do you need? All right. We'll get to the campsite. She's so impatient to go camping. Anyway, I got to go find 50. She told me where it was.
Okay.
I immediately forgot.
She didn't give you a map?
She showed me a map. And I forgot. So, you know how I am with like faces and names? Like I know faces, never remember names.
Mm-hmm.
People always tell me their name. I don't remember it. Never remember it. Anyway, here we go.
It's a cool spot that we're at though. Like you can
It's
see,
great.
There's a There's like this cool rock
There's a
mountain
cool rock.
here.
All right. Okay. That's Okay. I definitely went the wrong way. Just want you to know
You
that.
did already?
100%. All right. Now I'm gonna go this way. Okay.
Gosh, you really deleted all of the information that she gave you from your brain.
I'm gonna be honest with you. As soon as I saw the gift shop, I was like, I just thought about stickers and like
Oh yeah, we do need a sticker
you know.
for our cooler.
Yeah, we need a cooler sticker. So, so there's that.
Didn't we already go this way?
Okay. Alright, here we go. Okay, what's that? I see 59.
Oh,
57. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did I find it? Did I? I don't know, actually. Alright. Okay, here we go. She was so excited. She showed me like all the ranger programs they had. I was like, easy now. All right, so that was 49. Oh, where am I now?
Did you drive past it while you were talking?
I don't know. I'm not good at like.
Oh my God, remember we're not in the Wrangler. Okay, well.
It might be a one-way.
It's definitely one way, and oh my God, this car's gonna be heading towards you.
No, it's not. Stop doing that.
Oh, there's a little critter.
I'm not gonna hit it.
No, I'm not saying you're gonna hit it. I'm just excited that it's here.
Well, Zoe isn't. Okay, so where the is 50? See, this guy's lost too.
Yeah, you're right.
He's trying to figure it out too.
Because you guys didn't listen to the nice lady.
Okay. All right.
Now you might have to do the thing that you fear the most in this world.
Well, but here's 49.
Go back and ask for directions.
Hold on now. Here's 49.
Yeah.
What's this one?
50.
I found it. And it took no time at all. Huh? How was the gift shop?
I got naps.
Maps. I know you love maps.
That gift shop is so great.
Is it?
I want a
How
hat.
cute. You want a hat?
Yeah.
There was any good stickers?
There was a really good sticker.
Oh, and you got a map?
And I got
Good, because that would have helped when I first tried to find the...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, maps. Oh. My wife, she loves maps. She's a huge map fan. Oh, sorry, I didn't know you were there.
I'm sorry I'm obsessed with maps. It's just fun to see where everything is.
Do you remember in the Maldives when you thought you lost your map? What did you say?
I said, my map's in there, when I thought they were going to lose our luggage.
That was it. Our luggage, you lose?
Map!
My map! All right. Oh, God. God help. All right. Going to downtown for lunch.
Yay!
Let's do it.
I can show you my map.
Oh!
Trying to get this smoke. What do we think
Oh,
that's all about?
I'm gonna say a controlled burn, because if it's not a controlled burn, I'm gonna myself. Oh, I have to.
Oh my gosh.
What was it? A Roadrunner?
I think we got that on camera.
Oh, I have to.
Oh my.
Holy Christ!
What a bad Roadrunner. Isn't that its whole job is to
And it's supposed to go beep beep before it does that.
Dad joke.
Are you telling me all these cartoons were a lie? All right, look at this. Hey,
so good.
isn't that nice?
Yeah, it looks delicious.
Not bad. Not bad. What do you got there? This is the Turkey Club.
Yeah.
All right, and at the Joshua Tree Country Kitchen.
I got the coleslaw. You got the potato salad. And
Yeah, that
actually,
potato
you
salad's
got
much
your-
cooler. Look at that. Look at that. Get that potato salad. Look at that. What do you want?
I'm gonna switch it around on you.
Why? I could do it myself because I'm cool. I do that. I could eat this sandwich on camera. Ooh, crap.
That's not enough.
I didn't look like that. All right, so Eilish was asked about strawberry rhubarb pie, and there's no takers all day today, except for one. This
I'm
one.
so excited to have this. This is like a big pie in Ireland, rhubarb pie, and my dad grew up loving rhubarb, and so I have like a nostalgia for it, and I'm so excited. It's cold, and it looks really good, and the whipped cream is everything that I want.
All right, here we go. So good.
It's perfect.
It's
Because
perfect.
the rhubarb is not too sweet. It's just the perfect amount of sweetness. A little tart, and then the cream from the whipped cream is perfection.
All right.
So good. You have to try a bite.
Okay, I'll try
This
it.
bite? Okay, I'll feed it to you.
Oh.
It's kind of tart, right?
Yeah,
It's so
that's
good.
very good. Huh. I like rhubarb. Who would have thought? Some fun music in there,
Yeah. This is such a cool building.
right? Joshua Tree Saloon. Whoa, this place is insane. Might still be open. Wow.
No. 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 Put it back. Dan, what do you think?
I don't know, honey. It's a good vibe though. All right.
Money, please.
There you go. 50 cents for the chicken. Is that what you want?
Lucky eggs. I
Lucky
don't know
egg.
what's in here, but I'm excited.
What the hell is it doing? So it just dances around. Oh, and it laid an egg. All right, what do you got? What do you got? Let's see.
Oh, a little nautical bracelet.
In the desert? You got a nautical bracelet in the desert?
Which one are you doing?
I'm gonna do this one. It says you can hear jokes from it.
Oh, okay, interesting.
I think, is it a quarter? Oh no, that means I gotta do it twice. Ring.
Do it one more time.
Did you want another thing? Like a tattoo or something?
No, it's okay. The jokes are just so
I
bad.
do another ring or something. I don't even need a ring. Let's see. This is perfect for me. It's a little hair
Ooh, a
clip.
butterfly clip. This is a great haul. That place was so fun. If you're in Joshua Tree, you have to come here because there's so many good trinkets and the little, what are those, the coin machines, coin operated machines
Yeah.
are so fun.
I mean, kind of fun.
I loved them.
Of course you did. Because you got like a ring
And a bracelet,
butterfly bread.
and then we got a cute cup holder and a cute little sticker.
That's not a cup holder.
What is this? Oh, a koozie.
It's a koozie.
Whatever, same deal.
All right. So the plan for tonight is I'm gonna make a fire, casual night, just hot dogs, s'mores, very basic. Here we go. Wild hot dog
Yeah.
fire.
I'm calling the 2-dog. You can
All right,
deal
you
with
got
the
the 2
3 dogs.
Okay. Now we got to telescope it out, honey. You got to get it out there because you can't. You'll bring your hand to coast. The 2 coasts. What do you got? What do you got? Telescope it out for us.
Excuse me.
Okay,
Sorry.
that's just don't
These
not
are mine.
not on the hot dogs.
Feels like I'm fishing. Are you really gonna be able to do 3 dogs? This is heavy with just 2.
Yeah. First off, professional. Okay. 3 dogs, no problem. You gotta rotate the dogs, you know. Rotate.
Oh, Dennis.
Here we go. We got the macaroni salad from Pavilions, white onion, golden spicy, hot dogs from the campfire, brioche bun. Look at this. This is the setup. Looking good, huh?
Excited.
All right, first dinner of the trip.
Cheers, honey.
Cheers. That's pretty good. I ain't gonna lie.
That's tasty.
All right, we're setting up the old breakfast kitchen here. We got some stuff for eggs, cast iron, skillet for bacon. Boiling some water right here on the side for coffee. We got our coffee maker. Now I love this French press. I don't normally like French press at all because I'm lazy. But this one actually has, see if you can see that. Maybe not. Maybe here you'll see it. It actually has the number of scoops next to the ounces. I went to art school, so I don't know anything about math. So that always helps me a lot. All right, so I'll give you a tour of our campsite here at Black Rock Campground. Joshua Tree National Park. It's pretty amazing. Let's go check it out. This is our spot. We got 50 here. You got to be aware of tortoises so you don't run them over. You got to check under the vehicle. So we got the tent here. Now you'll notice I have solar panels that run through. There is a little electric vent that powers some feed into my Jackery 1000. So we have a little Jackery in the back there that we can charge all of our devices, including this air mattress and things like that. This is a lighted dome. So we have a little light up there, which is great at night. You know, core equipment, we got it from Costco. It was pretty good. Our little campfire setup, little ottoman spots. So we have this pop-up tent, which we put up. It's a game changer, absolutely. We have this beautiful setup that my wife made of the beers, which I'm very excited to have one, especially now that I got my new favorite koozie of all time. Look at this, it's like a little boot, a little cowboy boot. I got so much soot on it from the fire pit. We'll have to clean that. This is also a game changer. I love this right here. We got our little Coleman right here, a little stove. Got two wind blockers on the sides. Thing's great. Really enjoy it, and obviously made breakfast with it this morning, which is great. Always grab some water, especially you're out here in the desert. This shoe rack is a brilliant idea, Eilish. Love it. We literally get to put all of our different things in there, so it's easy to look for. You're looking for headlamps, bang. You're looking for, you know, olive oil spray, bang. There we have the camping forks there. Like everything, koozies, everything's there. Little Bluetooth speaker up here so that we can always rock to music. Not right now because then I can't post this. And then my favorite, this is my favorite. I initially bought it for the house, but it didn't work. It didn't work with it. We needed brighter outside of our house in the patio, but it works perfect for camping. It is this solar powered light setup. So I got it through Amazon. Literally just powers this battery all day while the sun's shining nice and bright. And then at night, you can set it to auto, so when it gets dim enough and it starts to receive not enough light, the lights will actually turn on automatically at dusk, which is fantastic. Or there's a remote that comes with it, clamps straight on here. Also comes with a stake, so you could stake it in the ground if you want. I don't recommend it here. I almost broke my hand trying to hammer in some of the pegs because it's just like rock down here. So maybe don't do it here, but just looped it all the way around, and finished one across the top. Beautiful light at night. It's fantastic. Any camp, you can't go wrong with a really good cooler. Here it is, you got the nice Yeti. We're putting stickers of places, so there's Big Bear Lake. But that is the tour. That's the tour. All right, so we got the fire going. We're gonna let it burn down a little bit, make some nice embers. But we're having ribs tonight. So I bought some ribs over at Costco. Massive ribs. Got the idea from my brother-in-law. Shout out Bill. All seasoned already, good to go. Cut half, left it in the freezer back at home, and then cut the remaining half into quarters, so in half. And it was just much easier to put away in the cooler. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that in tin foil, place it down on the grill here in the fire pit. So let it ride for a couple hours, give it a flip, and then we're gonna have ribs tonight. It's gonna be good. Safety first, make sure. There we go. No problem. Whoa. Looks pretty good.
actual
Oh, it's a disaster.
disaster. Hold on, I'm gonna try and stick it in this marshmallow.
Okay. And now give it a crush.
Ooh.
You gotta crush it, right? You gotta give it the...
God, Dan, this is...
I don't know, honey. Give it the crush.
I think I'm gonna crush the graham cracker before... Yep, the graham crusher went before the Ferrero Rocher. Yep.
Okay.
No, there's no crushing it.
Okay, but let's see how it
Okay,
tastes.
let's try it.
Let's see how bizarre this situation is.
All right, ready?
Yeah, go for it.
Mmm.
Is it? Oh, that does look pretty good. All right.
Don't film it anymore.
Oh, okay. I'll stop filming it. It's on me now. The camera's on me. Why are you? I didn't even film you eating it, really, at all. Ooh, it's still windy. So all night, just wind was just battering the tent. It was a little much. It's the thing with camping in the valley, you know, wind comes down the mountain, nothing stops it until you're basically your tent. So it was a little bit of a shaky night. It's still really windy. Just trying to have a little bit of breakfast right now. Little eggs, boiling some water. Can't do it on the little jet one because I know for a fact it'll topple over with this wind. So just little eggs, some coffee, and maybe we'll go into town, get some more supplies, and try to handle with this wind. There we go, little breakfast. This is a surprisingly good hot sauce. Comes this little traveling guy. It's really great for camping. I usually overdo it, just it's who I am. But yeah, we're getting the French press ready, and whew, wind's dying down for a second, which means it'll immediately come up now that I've mentioned it. I jinxed it. Here it comes. Oh man. All right, let's have some breakfast. Good boy. It's windy constantly. Look at this. This is pretty awesome. Love that. That's definitely the one. So we went to the gift shop. I was like, I'm just gonna get a sticker, and then now I'm a member. I don't know. The upselling is just very strong with the park rangers. So we'll go through all this stuff that we got. We got a nice map of everything, where to bring our dog, because you know you can't bring your dogs on a lot of the trails, so we can actually walk around with Zoe, which we're excited about. Jesus. I don't know if we can get it, but it's...
Oh my god, our chairs!
Uh-oh. All right, so it's incredibly windy. So against probably our better judgment, we're going to go ahead and stay, which we probably shouldn't have, but we totally spaced. And then came back, and then it was a little too late to pack up because the sun, once it gets right past the mountains, it just gets dark quick. So we're like, we can't get out of here in time. So here we are, trying to figure out if we can sleep in the tent tonight or we got to sleep in the car tonight. It's incredibly windy, so we'll see. All right, so we're in the tent for the night. Super windy. We lowered our other tent. We packed some stuff in the car. We're gonna just last the night, hopefully, in this crazy windy situation. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll watch Ladybugs, which is, by the way, I loved it as a child. It's a pretty problematic movie now that I watch it.
It's
again.
extremely
It's super problematic, but I'm definitely gonna watch it. Oh. So this is what we're dealing with tonight. You know, I'm going to be honest with you. It's not as peaceful as it sounds. So I'm sure that this will be a delightful evening. I'm just going to keep drinking. Cheers. All right, tent survived. Big rocks inside all these waders. Keep it down. Tent survived. Car survived. Not bad. Cold morning, hot fire. It's a sick 80s rock band, I imagine.
It's a good name, yeah.
So we survived the night. It was incredibly windy up until like 1 a.m. or so.
Yeah.
A lot of dirt flying in underneath the rain tarp, so we're getting a lot of that in the tent. And it was cold. The real feel dropped like in the 30s really quick. When the sun went down, so it was freezing, but we have some hella good sleeping bags. Stayed nice and warm. Shout out REI for that one.
Yeah.
But yeah, we stayed nice and warm. The dog slept, and I was just sleeping bag like the entire night.
We were all snuggled up.
Yeah, and now we're just burned out. We're a little tired, so we're just having graham crackers and coffee by the fire for breakfast, and then we'll go into town, get some real coffee, not French press silliness, but
this coffee's really
it's actually
good,
pretty good.
Though, this Costco coffee.
The Costco Colombian coffee is pretty good. That's true.
Yeah.
But I guess it was a successful camping trip. There's a couple pitfalls. Overcooked the ribs. Wind tried to kill us. Things like that. But other than that, it was pretty fun.
I'm really proud of us. This is probably for two people who are kind of bougie. I feel like we really persevered. It made me feel really excited to take a hot shower.
Yes. To shower.
Won't take it for granted.